What's going on, ladies and gents? This is your boy Hot Rod, and today I'm bringing you a video on how to save battery power on your Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, and Samsung S20 Ultra. This should also work for your Note devices as well, so you guys stay tuned. I will be right back. See you then. So, guys, welcome back once again. I'm your boy Hot Rod. I'll show you these tips on how to save battery power on your Samsung Galaxy S20s. Alright, first tip is what I want you guys to do. Go in, top of your phone, swipe down with two fingers. Swipe down with two, come to this menu. I need for you guys to turn off Bluetooth. Mine's already off. I need for you to turn off Bluetooth. I need for you to turn off NFC. I'm going to need for you guys to also turn off music share because that uses your Bluetooth as well. Make sure that's off. And Wi-Fi. Now, Wi-Fi is a little different. You can either leave this on or off. If you long press on your Wi-Fi, this takes you to your Wi-Fi menu. Click on the three dots. Click those three dots. And that will give you advanced. Click on advanced and you go down, look at the second one. It says turn on Wi-Fi automatically. Now what this does is once you're set with your Wi-Fi at home, once you log into it, when you leave the house, your phone will automatically turn your Wi-Fi off. But once you get back home and your device knows that you're home, I'm assuming that they're using GPS location in order to fulfill this. But once you get back home, your Wi-Fi will automatically turn back on. So say for instance, if you leave home, go to work, and you have a Wi-Fi access point at work, your phone will automatically log in at work. When it's time for you to leave work, it will automatically turn it off until you get home. Alright, so I will keep this setting on. This will keep you from, oh, is my Wi-Fi on, blah blah blah. So you'll be set. Now I don't think, I'm not sure, they may have this on the Note. I do have a Note 10, but mine's locked right now. I can't do everything I want to do with it, but I do believe with the One UI 2.5 update, they may have enabled that on the Note. Not sure. If you guys know, leave a comment down on the bottom. Let me know. Alright. Then also with the Wi-Fi, it will show you the network quality. I haven't seen it work for me yet. I only have the Google option, but it's supposed to tell you what type of speed that network is giving you. So once again, if it's working for you, give me a shout out down in the comments. Let me know. Alright, backing out of that. Now I want you guys to swipe down from the top of your screen and go to settings. Go into settings, and we are going to look for device care. All right, we're going to go in device care, click on battery. Battery power mode, the power management. I have mine set for optimize. This gets me about 6, 7, 8 hours throughout the day. And with me having optimize selected, I also have adaptive power savings. Now what this does, your phone learns your usage throughout the day. So it'll give you that extra power when you need it. Say when you're playing a game or something, if you play at the same time every day, or if you're not using it for a while, it knows to kick stuff off in the background. So this right here will also help you with saving that extra battery power. Okay, if you look on the battery section, you look at app power management. On clicking into that, you're able to put apps to sleep. So there's sleeping apps and a deep sleeping apps. These are a few of the apps that I have that are in sleeping mode because I don't use them that much, and you can add other apps just by hitting the plus button down at the bottom. Deep sleeping apps. These are the apps that I have in deep sleep that I don't want any notification from at all. You can also add apps there. And another thing you can do is just go through your phone for apps that you don't use, uninstall, because they're running in the background, probably draining your battery. So if you don't use them, delete them. Next, I want you to click on charging. Now on my device earlier, I noticed that fast charging was turned off. Not sure why, but you want to make sure that that is turned off. So just in case you don't have your super fast charger, you can use your older charger. And in order for that fast charger to work, you need to make sure that if it's not a Samsung brand, you need to make sure that it's on the output, that it's a 5-volt, 2 amp minimum. It's got to be a 2 amp minimum in order for that fast charge to kick in. If not, it's going to do a regular charge or a slow charge, and your device will take about 2 hours to charge. All right. Next up on the agenda. Well, I mean, we also have this optimize now, so you can ever so often go down and click on this optimize now, and it'll go in. It'll close background apps, and it'll bring your device up to 100% optimized. Yay. So now we're going to back out of that. And another one I want you guys to look at is, let's see. Oh, dark mode. So swipe down from the top of the screen again and look down, look at dark mode. You turn on dark mode, this will turn your entire phone dark, black. Now mine's already black because I have a dark theme. So this is my theme. It's not dark, but the settings menu and stuff, that's all dark. Now if you guys want to really get that extra juice out of your phone, change your home screen to something dark, because if the home screen is set to dark, then what happens is those pixels that are black, your screen is actually off on those pixels. So the only thing you would see is just your application. So one quick way of doing this is long press the home or anywhere on your screen, and you're going to go to themes. Click on themes, I click on top, and I look for free. There's a lot of free themes. Guys probably don't know that you can even change your phone theme. You can change it to whatever you want. You can purchase themes, get them free, animated themes, all types of stuff. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to get something that's completely black. So let's do this one here. I'm going to apply this one. Boom. Theme is applied. So now my entire screen is black. There we go. Black screen. Screen's not on. No pixels are on. Only thing you see is just those little small applications. And another thing that this does is, I don't know if you guys heard of screen burn-in, but this will keep you from having screen burn-in. Just try to change up your wallpapers ever so often. Don't keep the same static wallpaper up there, because over time you'll notice that you can see, say like if you have a person that was on your screensaver, you can see them on any app or screen that you're scrolling through. You can see like a small outline of them or a shade of them. That's because of that screen burn-in. Same thing with YouTube. With YouTube, I try to keep it on a dark theme, so this way this upper part of my screen, I had that on my S8, this upper part of my screen, I could see the outlines from where I would watch YouTube in this mode here, not in landscape but vertical, and pretty much it burnt my screen and I could see a little small outline at the very top of the screen. Alright, and one more thing. Samsung Daily. Now, Samsung Daily it's pretty much kind of a rip-off with Google. And you can go into Google and it'll pull up all of your cards of whatever you typically look at throughout the day. Well, this is what Samsung Daily is. If you swipe to the right, Samsung Daily will pop up and it'll give you cards. It'll give you news, just the types of stuff that I guess you selected in the beginning. So Samsung has came a long way on this. Now I would give them an A for this, because this used to be laggy and it really did slow down the phone. But if you do not want this on, long press your screen, swipe to the right, click that little tab to turn off Samsung Daily. Once you do that, you can no longer swipe to the right. You will not see Samsung Daily anymore. That will also give you a little bit more battery life, because that stuff won't be running in the background. Don't quote me on that, but that should save you some power, and it will be a performance benefit, because now that's not even an option to even go to. So the phone doesn't have to think, oh, is he swiping to the right for Samsung Daily? So you should be good with that. But with that being said, guys, that's all I have for power tips. If you guys have anything else as far as saving power on the S20, the Note series, the S10, S9, whatever, leave a comment down at the bottom. Let me know. I'll spread the word. But until then, you guys take it easy. And I'm your boy Hot Rod. I'm getting out of here. And don't forget, if you liked the video, hit that like button. If you didn't like it, hit that dislike button. I mean, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon so that you guys can get notifications when I drop new videos. All right, it's your boy Hot Rod. I'm out. Peace.